Welcome back to our daily market dashboard, your one stop update on today's stock market trends, sector performance, and technical insights. Before we dive in, a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and informational purpose only. It is not a financial advice. Please consult your financial advisor before making any investment decision. Today is Friday, the 20th of February 2026, the last trading session of the week, and we have a lot to cover across 7 key sections of our dashboard. As follows: today's market sentiment, heat map of sector performance, top 5 gainers and losers, volume surge, breakout stocks, momentum stock list, under different time frames, filtered stock list based on technical indicators from Nifty 500. The fields that are out of scope are specific stock recommendations to buy or sell, target stop loss or entry price for stocks, Nifty and Bank Nifty option trading opinions. Let's start with the first section, which is today's market sentiment. Let's start with the overall market sentiment. Starting with the big picture, today's market pulse reads as mixed. Out of the 298 stocks tracked in our Nifty 500 universe, 159 stocks advanced, 137 declined, and just 2 remained unchanged. That's a slight edge to the bulls, but nothing decisive. On the index front, Nifty 50 closed at 25,571, up by 0.46% for the day. Bank Nifty was the outperformer, closed at 61,172 points, a solid 0.71% gain. Zooming out, the 1-month return on Nifty 500 stands at plus 2.45%, but the 3-month return is still negative at minus 2.14%. So, the recovery is real, but the medium-term pressure hasn't fully cleared. The average RSI across the universe sits at 48, right in neutral territory, neither overbought nor oversold. ADX is at 22, which tells us that the market is still in a ranging phase. There is no strong directional trend confirmed yet. Let's move to the sector heat map section. There are 20 sectors color-coded by today's performance here. Power and renewables was the top sector today, up by 1.25%. Importantly, this sector is up by 6.2% over the last month. JSW Energy led the charge. The renewable energy theme continues to attract capital. Capital goods and infrastructure was second, up by 1% today and 7.2% over the past month. Government-led capex is clearly flowing through to earnings here. Logistics and transport gained 0.9% today and is up an impressive 9% over 1 month, with IRCTC topping the leaderboard within the sector. On the other side of the ledger, IT and technology was the worst performing sector, down by 1.1% today. But more critically, it is down by 13.9% in 1 month, 16% over the 3 months, and minus 21.5% over the past year. This is a sector in a confirmed downtrend. Persistent was today's biggest loser within IT. Capital is clearly rotating into power and renewables, capital goods and infra, logistics, metals, and banking, all showing strong short to long-term momentum. Meanwhile, IT and technology, retail, paints, and cement remain in confirmed downtrends with sharp multi-month declines. Moving on to the next section, which is top 5 gainers and losers. On the gainers side, few important stocks like Siemens up by 3.19%. Canara Bank gained 3.17%. IRCTC rose to 3.15%, closing at 645 rupees. On the loser's side, Ixigo was the biggest decliner, falling 5.48% to close at 186.74 rupees. RSI has dropped to 35, approaching oversold territory. Latent View fell to 5.04% RSI, and RSI is now 31, just 1 point above the oversold threshold. This is pure IT sector pressure. JK Tyre dropped to 3.48%, reflecting a confirmed strong downtrend. A quick note on the oversold names: Ixigo, Latent View, Lemon Tree, and Persistent are technically oversold. That could mean a short-term bounce is possible, but these are not buy signals. Always wait for a confirmed reversal before acting. Now moving on to the next section, which is volume surge and breakout stocks. Volume is the one indicator that never lies. Price moves without volume are noise. Price moves with volume are signals. Today's notable volume stories came from three areas. One, in the banking sector, Canara Bank and PNB both moved with above average volume. In capital goods, Thermax and Siemens both showed volume surge aligned with price breakouts. In power, JSW Energy saw elevated volume accompanying its gain, with OBV rising, a sign that on balance volume is confirming the price move. Moving on to the next section, which is momentum stock list across time frames. We've also compiled momentum stocks across different time frames: intraday, short term, and medium term. This helps traders align their strategies depending on their preferred horizon. Professional traders look at momentum across multiple time horizons to build conviction. On the 1 week time frame, Ease My Trip is the headline name, up by 40.7% in a single week. Ratnamani gained 11.27% in 1 week, representing the metals and pipes theme. On the 1 month time frame, logistics stock up around 9%. On the 3 month time frame, metals and mining is the clear structural winner at plus 12.3%. Banking follows at plus 6%. IT is negative across every time frame. The most important insight from this section is that the strongest conviction is metals and banking. Finally, let's discuss about our last section, which is technical indicator filtered stock list. This is the most data intensive section of today's dashboard. Our screener evaluated 298 Nifty 500 stocks across 13 technical indicators like RSI, MACD, moving averages, etc., and ranked them by their total score. ABB, Ajant Farm, Navin Flour, Voltas, etc., are the top ranked stocks today, with 16 out of 18 green signals. Use this as a watch list, not a buy signal. Set alerts at breakout levels. Wait for the volume confirmation. Enter with a stop. Discipline separates traders from gamblers. Let's wrap it up today. If you found this analysis useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for daily updates. And please remember, this is not a financial advice, just market insights to help you stay informed. Thank you. See you tomorrow.